everybody, my name is T and I'm a student at Ha Huy Tap Secondary School. I think studying here is so enjoyable. I was born and raised in Ho Chi Minh City, a beautiful, peaceful and modern city. It's a fantastic city that I truly love. So today I'm excited to tell you about Ho Chi Minh City, known as Saigon, which is called the Pearl of the Far East. Saigon is more than 300 years old and has been many changes. Saigon, Saigon is the largest city in Vietnam. It has 22 districts with more than 10 million people. Saigon is the most populated city in Vietnam. Uh, Saigon serves as a primary economic financial hub of the country, contributing around a quarter from the country's total GDP. The weather is warm throughout. The weather is warm with a rain season from May to November and a dry season from December to April. The food is amazing here. Uh, I lo- I I really like phở, bún bò, bánh mì, and cơm tấm being my favorites. Saigonese are kind, hardworking, and friendly. Áo dài is the traditional Saigonese dress. People say that Ho Chi Minh City never sleeps with business, nightlife, and there is so much things to do and see here. Uh, there are many places to visit in Vietnam like Bến Thành Market, Nguyễn Huệ Walking Street, Củ Chi Tunnel, and more. Traffic and pollution are big problems, but I do hope in the future things will change. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.